In this video, I'm painting my very first mural in my new YouTube studio. A few months back, I bought this 15,000 square foot warehouse to transform into an epic art studio slash YouTube studio. And as an artist, I simply can't resist the urge to paint a mural. Another reason why I'm super excited to paint this mural in my new YouTube studio is I just bought this thing. As a muralist who has traveled the world and rented all kinds of scissor lifts and boom lifts, being the proud owner of this very used, very janky scissor lift brings me more joy than it has any right to, and I'm excited to christen this baby on its maiden voyage while painting a mural at my YouTube studio. This feels good, baby. It was quite the challenge getting this thing off the truck. I was afraid for my life. Anyway, let's get this thing outside in position and take a look at this wall.
Oh yeah, what a sweet ride. That thing got a heavy, and it's a convertible.
I was cruising along, happy as a clam on my new lift, and then it happened.
Oh, shit. Holy shit, where's that coming from? Oh, stop. Okay, yeah, that's a hydraulic hose that's busted. I can see right where it's split.
Well, great. This is the first time I've used this thing. Looks like we've severed a main artery, and old Bessie is out of commission before she's even had a chance to live. Well, I gotta deal with this lift situation, but in the meantime, I do need the wall prepped.
Hey y'all, I'm Wally Pepper, and welcome back to my channel, Wall Preppers. Now, today I'm here at 1000 Studio, prepping this huge wall to be painted for a mural. But this is a big job, so I brought in some help this time. Allow me to introduce you to my nephew, Paulie Pepper.
Yo, how's it going? My name's Paulie Pepper. I'm 5'9". Do not say I'm 5'8", or you're gonna catch these hands, all right?
That's great, Paulie. Now you know what I always say on my channel. Before you start the sketch, you gotta tape the edge. Let's get up there and tape. I heard 1000 has a leak in his hydraulics, but maybe this thing can still go up and down. Let's find out. Wall Preppers. Whoa! All right, Paulie, spot me.
I got you, Unc. Looking good, Unc, looking good. Now listen, my uncle is an absolute saint, all right? I was out living on the streets, doing terrible things. What did he do? He picked me up, he said, come on, we got walls to prep. Thank you, Uncle Wally. At Christmas, I'm gonna get you the barbecue set with the nice walnut handle, all right? I'm talking fine, high quality.
Hey, Paulie!
What's up, Unc?
Catch! Nice job, Paulie! Don't you forget who brought you here.
Don't you forget who pulled you out of that strip club on 6th, all right?
Wall Prepper! Now there's one key tactic to the prepper push. When you get ready, I'm gonna do the Wally Pepper war cry so that I can stay stabilized.
All right, you ready?
Wally Pepper war cry. Oh God! Oh my God, I'm scared! Ah! That's the what? Wait, that's just the Wally Pepper war cry.
What if we just stand you up on my shoulders? I'm real strong. Been working out a lot. I'm benching 125 now. Paulie ain't never fallen in his life. Whoa! There's a first time for everything, I guess.
All right, well, that wall is prepped. Old Wally Pepper has prepped another wall, and this one is a magnificent one at that. You know, ever since 1000 invited me on his channel for the first time, Wall Preppers has been blowing up. Now old Wally Pepper is traveling the world, prepping walls to be painted for murals, following my vision, and achieving my dreams. It's a beautiful thing.
So Nikki's dad is here. Nikki, my amazing employee who just kicks so much butt. Her dad is here. He's a relatively handy man, and he's gonna try and look at the hydraulic hoses on this lift. This piece is busted, and word on the street is there's a place right around here that can literally make me a new one of these on the spot. I jumped in the car and rushed over to Mural Supply before they closed. They were able to make me a new hose in like 10 minutes. Then with Todd's magical mechanical powers, he replaced the hose on the lift, and it seemed to be working. Back in business! What a freaking lifesaver Nikki's dad was. The lift is working, the mural is back on schedule. It's about damn time some things started working out around here. Okay, it's 10 o'clock at night, the sun has gone down, and I'm gonna quickly trace my lines onto the wall using a projector so I can paint this thing and hopefully bring an epic mural to this studio. Today, I took an old piece of mural concept art that I submitted for another mural that didn't make the cut. They chose a different concept of mine instead. And I'm gonna use that and augment it and make this mural. I always really liked that piece of concept art, so now I actually get to use that for a mural, which is cool at this studio. All right, all done. I kept envisioning small town Michigan cops rolling up on me while I do this and me trying to convince them that I own this place as I'm out here spray painting it in the dark. But it's done, it's late. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, it's officially day one of actually working on this mural. The quick sketch is up there. I'm gonna get my paints, get my supplies, get prepared, and start painting this mural. Sun shining, birds singing, feels good. Let's go. Back at it again. It's been 6 months since I painted my last mural, and this is a pretty special one. It feels great to pick up the spray cans again. I really want to have all kinds of my artist homies leave their mark on my new studio, but I figured I should probably put something of my own in here first. Now the mural vibes are complete. June June! Yes, now it's a good mural. Yeah! You're gonna be spraying in no time. But the grind never stops. Let's get back to this green hood. Something about that smell of spray paint and strapping the respirator on really makes me feel like summer has arrived. Okay, there's these weird triangle antenna thingies. I don't know really what they are, but I'm gonna tape them off really good and maybe do like an orange gradient fill in those triangle areas, and then I'll make them look cooler later. I hope it doesn't look janky. Here we go. Frog tape, talking frog tape. Lily pad party go up on a Tuesday. Tape it off and get a clean line. I'ma spray a gradient in the meantime. This mural is special to me because every other mural, you have to get the building owner's permission to paint, but I'm the building owner. I certainly give permission, and you have to make sure that the building owner likes the art that you come up with, but I'm the building owner, and I like this art. So I give myself permission to paint. That's a first for me. Feels good. Meanwhile, inside 10 Hun Studios, they're going super ham on the Last Supper puzzle pre-orders. So many shipments. This is the second batch of puzzles that's gone out. Red, how you feeling?
I'm doing great.
Trying to get the palette situated. More palette, more palette, more palette. Nikki, as usual, going super ham. We got towers of power here.
Where they call me the ant.
She lifts 10 times her own body weight in puzzles.
This is like my 5th batch today.
Good morning, day 2. Another absolutely beautiful May day here in beautiful Southwest Michigan. All the usual pressures and anxieties of painting a mural, such as pleasing the client, coordinating with the building owner to stash my mural supplies, all that stuff, all that extra stuff is just gone on this one. It's just the joy of painting. We'll see how far I can get on this today. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Let's paint. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is a website where you can build a website, and it's super easy. All you gotta do is drop your awesome content into their beautiful templates, and boom, you have a website. I love their e-commerce and their amazing image galleries, but their list of features is virtually endless. Holy cow, look at this. Hold on. I went and I had a haircut appointment I forgot about, and I get back and this is here for my freaking cans, man. This is so sick. So I have this guy Ty who's working for me, and he's the only one here, so I guess he made this for me. Yo Ty, this freaking spray paint holder is dope.
I figured nothing else beats bending down.
Yeah. And if you do run into any issues, they have 24/7 customer support. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to have a beautiful website. Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And then when you're ready to launch your site, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks, Squarespace. So on this mural, I've been using a combination of flame blue, which is like the cheapest. This stuff is weird. It comes out like silly string sometimes. And then I've been using a little bit of the Belton Molotov Premium. This stuff is like a little bit thin and watery for me. It used to be awesome, but I feel like they changed their recipe or got bought out by a different company. But before this whole mural started a couple weeks ago, I put in a huge order for Montana Gold. Probably my favorite spray paint at the moment. Also, it plays well with other art supplies, like when you want to put acrylic on top of this stuff. It doesn't do that oil on water thing. And then for the caps, I only use two kinds of caps. I think this is the level 1 super skinny or ultra skinny, or it's the skinniest Montana cap. And then I think this is the level 6 super fat or like extra fat. Most of the time I'm using this guy. When I have big areas to fill, I'm using this guy. That's the Mural Supplies. Those are the art supplies that I'm using. Hey, welcome to day 3. I finished a lot of the high parts of the mural, or, you know, gotten it to a point where it's like 95%. Now I'm gonna work on the lower part, hoping to be done today. Loving the way the mural is coming along. Certainly bringing a whole different vibe to the back of this industrial warehouse. I like this mural being on the back. You know, there's a lot of walls on the back here. If I do add any more murals to the outside of this building, it'll probably be on the back of the building, because I kind of want to keep it incognito. I don't know if I want any art that you can see from the road. We're trying to keep a low profile here. And when you come around the back of the building, maybe there'll be an explosion of art, like this pleasant surprise, like, whoa, where did that come from? Anyway, so many walls. This is only the beginning, but I think it's time we paint. Start working on these piano key sleeves, a little bit technical. I went and bought more of the background color. Gonna clean up some of the overspray, some drippage. A lot of times when I'm painting murals other places, all I have on site is my spray cans. But here I am in my art studio. I got acrylic paint, I got brushes. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of acrylic painting, because I can. Okay, I kind of want to add like 10 Hun lettering on there. So I'm gonna take a picture of it with my iPad and sketch kind of where I want these letters to be. I will say, drawing with my iPad in direct sunlight is not the most pleasant experience. I remembered there was a couple more final details I needed to add before I added these letters. I quickly sketched the letters with acrylic paint, then decided that yellow would probably be the best color to pop out, even on a background of all these other crazy colors. Then a couple more details with the brush, and now some white highlights. I've never varnished a mural before, but let's go for it. Now this mural doesn't get a ton of sun, but I have seen especially the pink colors on my murals fade before. This golden varnish has awesome UV protection, and since I have it, I figured why not? Now it's time to show it to the other members of Team 10 Hun. They're the ones who are gonna see it day in and day out. So I had to get the seal of approval from the team. I think I am done, and I'm just about to show you guys the final sexy shots, but before I do that, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you like crazy dudes making crazy art, consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Huge thank you to my patrons, and also go to 1000art.com and check out my merch. I got all kinds of stuff on there, t-shirts with my art on it, prints. The Last Supper puzzles are no longer on pre-order. We got them in. There's a few hundred extra that I ordered beyond the pre-orders. This is my very first jigsaw puzzle. It's got some cool mysteries and codes and stuff inside. Check that out, 1000art.com. All right, y'all, let me know what you think of the mural down in the comments. But without further ado, it's time to show you the final sexy shots. Goodbye.